In this video, I will walk you through how to turn on the Optimize pension splitting option for your client's plan. So in this plan, I have a client with a couple of DB pensions, and I want to make sure that we are withdrawing those in the most tax efficient way possible. So I'm going to go to my plan settings and then select calculation settings. In here, we have an option to optimize pension splitting. So I'm going to turn this on and click done. Now to check how this affects my client's plan, I'm going to go to Year View and the Taxes section. I'm going to scroll over to those retirement years when the pension is in the plan, and I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see here, we have the pension income withdrawals listed here, pension amount, and then you can see the split to the spouse here so that we end up with a more equitable distribution of those withdrawals. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to click on the name of your client in the top right and select Request Support. You can enter your question here and share client access. This will send us a message and we can take a look at your plan. Thank you.